Job order contracting, or JOC, is a fast and flexible way to procure renovation and construction services. JOC allows you to control costs, save time, and begin work faster. Join us for this free 4-part video series where we'll cover everything you need to know about job order contracting in detail. In video 1, we'll cover some of the basics like what is job order contracting and how does it work? What are the real benefits of a job order contracting program? And what kind of projects are a good fit? In the rest of the series, we'll explore how job order contracting compares and complements other construction approaches, highlight what to consider when deciding if job order contracting is right for you, review examples of job order contracting projects across the country, and provide an in-depth look into setting up a job order contracting program. At the end of each video, we'll provide access to additional valuable information you don't want to miss, so stick around. Just click the link in the description or visit gordian.com/JOC101 to get started.